Uh, so welcome to my channel, guys. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today we are going to discuss this cocoa eating bananas problem of lead code. So what we are given in this problem, we are given n piles of bananas and the ith pile has value pi, and what we have to do, we have h hours in total, and Coco can decide her banana per hour eating speed of k. It means in 1 hour it can eat up to k bananas, and we have total h hour to complete all the bananas in our pile. So what we have to do, we have to find the minimum speed of k, here the minimum integer case, such that it will eat k bananas per hour, and it will eat completely this file within 8 hours. Okay, so here we can choose four, like four bananas per hour. We can complete this is 1 hour, we can complete this in 2 hours, because 4 plus 2, in 1 hour we will eat 4, and in other second hour we will eat two bananas left out, and in 1 hour we can eat only one index bananas, whether it is equal to k, greater than k, or less than k. So okay, and for this we also require 2 hours. So 2, so till now we have complete 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 hours, and for this we require 3 hours. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, so we have h is equal to 8, so minimum number can be our 4. Similarly here answer is equal to 30, because h is equal to 5, then we, and the size of piles is also is equal to 5, so for each banana we have to give 1 hour per pile, so the maximum number of per pile, that is 30, will be our answer. Same for each case. So now we are focusing on our code. So this is basically a research problem. Okay, so first of all what we do, we will take a variable answer which will store our k, and we will take l is the minimum number that can be possible. Like if we are given an array like 2 comma 3, and our h is equal to 5, or h is equal to 50, 550 suppose, means if our h greater than or is equal to sum of element, then k can be 1. Okay, so our k minimum can be 1, and maximum k is when at each element we are giving only 1 hour. We have to give it 1 hour, because in 1 hour we can eat only one specific piles. So we can eat minimum of one and maximum of the maximum element of our uh, given vector array. So we are in a loop while our L is less than or is equal to R. We will take the mid element of L and R, and we check, can we eat the all the bananas in our vector V with speed of m within h hours. Like in vector v we are eating m bananas per hour, and we can complete this within h hours. If we can do so, we modify our answer with m, and we search for smaller number of our k. Okay, else if cannot possible, then we just increment our speed. So okay, now this is our bool can eat function. We will take a variable r is the uh, required hours. R is the total time we need if we are eating our bananas with speed m to complete the vector v. Okay, for auto I check for every element in I. What I am doing, I divide it with m, then I just add its modulo. Like if it's completely divided by, I like if we have I is equal to 9 and m is equal to 2. So how many time we need? Time need is equal to total 9, we can eat 2 per hour, so total hour need is equal to 2 is equal to 4, and we left out with 9 modulo 2 is equal to 1 bananas. So we require one more hours. Sorry, I think you understand it yet. So for for I is equal to 9 banana, if we can eat maximum 2 bananas per hour, then we require 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4, and if there is something, if it is not completely divided by, then we are left out with some modulo of that bananas, and we will take more 1 hour more to complete this. And if our r is greater than hs at any point, means we consume more than given hour, then we just return 0, and that means we cannot fulfill our condition with this speed of banana. So we have to increase our speed. Okay, and after this for loop we complete whether our required number of hours is less than or is equal to our given number of hours. If it is possible, then we will run this. If it is not possible, then we will just run this. So as you can see, I will show my submission to you. You can see, yes, as you can see, the same code, the same submitted code is, this is my same submitted code. So this is just a simple approach of binary search. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, then please subscribe the channel, and you can check out my channel for more coding amazing content. Here in my channel you will find daily lead code challenge, GFG challenge, problem solution also. So thank you for watching this, guys. Thanks a lot.